I'm looking here. I'm looking here. Establishment for my business. Actually, I'm looking here. Establishment for my business. I want to build a business here. I want to build a business here. Yeah, I'm looking for business here. Space for my business establishment.
What kind of business?
Kind of business. What kind of business?
What kind of business?
What kind of business?
What kind of a business do you want?
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah. Pogo.
Coco.
Pogo.
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 Pogo?
Yeah. Pogo. 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 Pogo.
Kubo.
Pogo.
Fugo.
Yeah. Pogo. Pogo.
Pogo.
It's a pogo.
What?
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah.
Pogo.
Yeah. You know pogo?
What's that? Is that a gambling?
Hmm?
What is that?
Pogo. Yeah. What gambling?
Like casino?
Online
Online.
business.
You know pogo?
Pogo! That's already illegal.
Huh?
That's not.
That's
It's
not legal.
legal here.
Why are you laughing?
But Pogo is already banned. It's banned.
Hmm?
It's banned.
What bomb?
It's not allowed anymore.
But it's already banned.
Hmm?
It's already banned by
Really?
the president. Yes, it's been
When?
mandated just recently.
It's illegal. No, you go to prison.
Hmm?
You go to prison. Pogo is
Pogo.
also a gambling.
It's an online game.
What online game?
The Pogo.
Pogo? What online game? What online game?
That's an online casino.
Pogo.
Yeah, Pogo. Yeah. Try to search it.
Is it the Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators or Pogo?
Pogo? I don't know.
You don't know the meaning?
My business is not gambling. Yeah. My business not gambling. No, my business is not gambling.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
It has been in the news that it has been banned by the
Really?
president. Yeah, the
Pogo.
Pogo.
Here, Pogo. No, Pogo. Pogo. Here, Pogo. Yeah, here, Pogo, here. Here, Pogo. 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 Like this Pogo. Yeah, like Pogo, yeah, Pogo. Business is not gambling.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kuya,
Oh!
Eating more Pogo is not good.
Yeah.
Okay.